Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to put visibility status of people on email in Microsoft Outlook. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to see at a glance whether your colleagues or contacts are online, busy, or away, helping you decide the best time to reach out to them directly. To get started, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you've entered your credentials, give it a moment to fully load in all your emails and sync your data. It's important to wait until everything is properly loaded before moving forward, as this ensures all features are available and functioning correctly. Now that your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to enable the visibility status feature. Begin by navigating to the File menu, which you'll find located on the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are positioned. Go ahead and click on the File tab. This will open a new menu with various account and settings options. Once the File menu has opened, take a look at the very bottom part of this menu. Here you'll find the Outlook Options section. Click on Options, and an Outlook Options window will appear on your screen. This is the central hub where you can customize how Outlook behaves and displays information, so it's worth familiarizing yourself with this area. From the Outlook Options window, look at the left side menu where you'll see several categories listed. Click on People. This section controls how contacts and their information are displayed throughout Outlook, making it the perfect place to enable status visibility. To put visibility status of people on email in Microsoft Outlook, simply locate the checkbox labeled Display Online Status next to Name. This option, when enabled, will show a small status indicator next to each person's name in your emails, letting you know their current availability. Go ahead and click on this checkbox to enable it. Once you've enabled the checkbox, click on OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. Outlook will now apply this setting, and you should start seeing online status indicators appear next to people's names in your emails and contact lists. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the visibility status feature in Microsoft Outlook, making it much easier to gauge when your contacts are available for quick communication. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.